Class 9, previously we did scene 1 of Act 2. Okay, and we have come to know that Portia was proposed by Prince of Morocco, and we have also come to know that Prince of Morocco was boasting about his strength and bravery. He requested Portia not to dislike him because of his dark complexion, and in respect of his word, Portia said that she is not attracted by the outer appearance, okay, as the other maidens do. Okay, as she is bound by the will of her father, so whosoever will choose the correct casket, she will be the wife of that prince. Clear? Now let us do scene 2 of Act 2. In scene 2 of Act 2, we'll come to know about the Lancelot. Lancelot, the Lancelot, the servant of Shylock. Okay. Now, Lancelot, Lancelot, he was, searched by his father. Lancelot's father came to find his son, that was Lancelot himself. Old Gobbo Lancelot is the father of Lancelot. Okay, means Lancelot is the son of Gobbo Lancelot. Okay, now here in the scene you will find that he was suffering. Lancelot was suffering from the cruelness of Shylock, so he has decided to run away from his service. Okay, he was famished in his service. Okay, as he was not looked after properly by him, and that's why he wanted to run away from his service and wanted to join Bassanio's service, because he has heard from the other servants that Bassanio supplies, or Bassanio provides new liveries. Liveries means uniform to his servants, and even he looks after them well. When Gobbo Lancelot, who is Gobbo Lancelot? Lancelot's father. When Gobbo Lancelot comes in search of him, he plays cruel trick on him. Gobbo Lancelot, you will find that he is nearly blind. Okay, he in this Shakespearean language you will find sand blind. Sand blind means nearly blind. He is not able to recognize Lancelot. Now let's see whether Lancelot was able to run away from Shylock's service, whether he was able to join Bassanio's service or not. Clear? Class 9th, now let's start Act 2, Scene 2. Okay. Lancelot, certainly my conscience will serve me to run from this Jew my master. Jew my master means Shylock. The fiend is at mine elbow. Means, certainly means truly. Truly my conscience means inner voice will allow me to run away from this Jew. It means my conscience is telling me to run away from my cruel master Jew. The devil stands close to me. Here the fiend is devil, is at mine elbow. Okay, and tempt me means tells me, okay, saying Gobbo Lancelot, Gobbo, good Lancelot, or good Gobbo, or good Lancelot. And it says Gobbo Lancelot, Gobbo, good Lancelot, or good Gobbo. Gobbo is the father of Lancelot, but he is saying himself to Gobbo Lancelot. Lancelot, Gobbo, use your legs. Take the start, run away. Means, good Lancelot, Gobbo, use your legs. Use your legs means start running from your legs, with your legs, and start immediately and run away. Okay. My conscience says, but my inner voice, conscience means inner voice. Conscience says, no, take heed. Take heed means take care. Honest Lancelot, take heed. Think over. Okay. Take care. Honest Gobbo, or as aforesaid. Aforesaid means as it was told before. Think before you run. Honest Lancelot, Gobbo, do not run, scorn running with thy heels. Means, honest Lancelot, Gobbo, do not run. Be utterly off, just stop yourself from running. Okay. Well, the most courageous fiend bids me pack, but the bold devil, okay, persuades me to pack up and run. It means my devil side says me to run away from the cruel Jew. Says the fiend, away says the fiend, for the heavens rouse up a brave mind, says the fiend, and run. Well, my conscience means your inner voice, hanging about the neck of my heart, says very wisely to me, means the devil's eye says to me that for heaven's sake, build up your courage and run away from this cruel Jew. But my conscience, pleading with my heart, okay, and says wisely to me, it gives suggestions to me that my honest friend Launcelot, since you are an honest man's son and rather an honest woman's son, so it says not to run away, do not move, okay, or rather an honest woman's son. Well, my conscience says, Launcelot, budge not. Budge means don't move, move not. Budge, says the fiend. Budge not, says my conscience. Conscience says I. You counsel well. Okay, you have suggested me well. Okay, fiend says you counsel well to be ruled by my conscience. I should stay with my Jew, my master, who God bless the mark. I say to my conscience that you advise me well. Okay, but to the devil I say, devil, you advise me well. I am ruled by my conscience, so I must stay with my master, the Jew, who is a kind of devil. To run away from the Jew, I should be ruled by the fiend who, saving your reverence, is the devil himself. So, devil himself means he is saying to cruel Jew, who is devil himself. Certainly the Jew is very devil incarnation, and in my conscience is but a kind of hard conscience to offer me counsel, means which is suggesting me to stay with the Jew. And on the other hand, the fiend, the devil side, gives me more friendly counsel, and it says me to run away from the cruel Jew. So I will run, fiend, and I will take advice of the fiend side, the devil side, and my heels are at your commandments. My legs are at your commands, means I will obey what my fiend says. So I have decided to run away. Enter old Gobbo. Old Gobbo means father of Launcelot, with a basket. Gobbo, master young man, you, I pray you, I request you to tell which is the way to Master Jew's. Means, can you tell me the way to the house of old Jew? Old Jew means Shylock. Launcelot, aside, O heavens, this is my true begotten father. This is my true begotten father, means this is my father who has completely forgotten me. Who being more than sand blind. Sand blind means half blind. Almost high gravel blind means completely blind. Knows me not means he does not even recognize me. I will try confusions with him. I will try to confuse him. Okay. Gobbo, master young gentleman, I pray you which is the way to Master Jew's. Young man, I request you to tell me the way to old Jew's house. Launcelot, turn up on your right hand at the next turning. Means go to your right at the next turn, but at the next turning of all on your left. Marry at a very next turning and turn of no hand. Means when you will go to the next turn, then turn to your left, and I swear that at the very next turning, then turn of no hand. Turn of no hand means do not turn anywhere, but turn down indirectly to Jew's house, but later turn down towards the Jew's house. Gobbo, by God's Saunties, means by God, it will be hard way to hit. This will be a very difficult way to take, difficult path to take. Could you tell me whether one Launcelot that dwell him with or not? Could you tell me whether whether Launcelot who lives with him now he is living with him or not? Launcelot, talk you of young Master Launcelot? Are you talking about young Master Launcelot? Aside means he talks to himself. Mark me now. Now will I raise the waters. Talk you of young Master Launcelot. Now he looks aside and he's saying to himself, I bring tears into his eyes. Means I'll play a prank on him. I'll bring tears into his eyes. I'll make fool of him. And are you talking about young Master Launcelot? Means Master Launcelot means Launcelot himself. He is talking to his father. Gobbo, no master, sir, but a poor man's son. Do not call him Master Launcelot, as he is the son of a poor man. His father, though I say it, is an honest, exceeding poor man. Although I say myself that he is an honest man, and he is an honest man in spite of being very poor. Exceeding poor means very poor, extremely poor. And God be thanked, well to live. And thank God he is leading a good life. He leads a good life. Launcelot. Well, let his father be what a will we talk of young Master Launcelot. What Launcelot says? Well, let his father be whatever he is, whether he is an old gobbo or he is an honest man, we are not talking about him, but let's talk about young Launcelot. Gobbo, your worship's friend and Launcelot, sir. Gobbo says, yes, your young friend Launcelot. Launcelot, but I pray you, ergo, that is before, I beseech means request. Okay, you of young Master Launcelot. Please talk about young Master Launcelot. Gobbo, of Launcelot, please your mastership. Yes to Launcelot, if you please. Sir, talk about him. Launcelot, Master Launcelot, talk not of Master Launcelot, father, for the young gentleman, according to fates and destinies and such odd sayings, the sister three and such branches of learning is indeed deceased, or as you would say in plain terms, gone to heaven. Therefore, now what he says, therefore you are referring to Master Launcelot. Do not speak about Master Launcelot. Old gentleman means the father of Launcelot. The young man, according to his fate and destiny of or such things, or according to three sisters of the ancient Greeks and other branches of learning, he is dead now. Or two, if I could say in plain words, he has gone to heaven. Gobbo, Mary, God forbid, by the Virgin Mary, may God bless him. Okay, the boy was the very staff means support. The boy was the very staff of my age. The boy was the support in my old age, of my old age. My very prop, okay, my only support. Launcelot, do I look like a cudge? Cudge means here the post or a prop, okay. Do I look like a staff or a hovel post, a staff or a prop? Do you know me, father? Gobbo, alack, the day, okay, means the day is not good. I know you not, young gentleman, but I pray you tell me, is my boy, God rest his soul, alive or dead? But please tell me, how is my son? May God give him peace, or dead or alive, whether he is dead or alive. Launcelot, do you know me, father? Don't you recognize me, father? Gobbo, sir, I am sand blind, means I am half blind. I have not recognized you. I know you not. I cannot recognize you. Launcelot, nay means no. Indeed, if you had your eyes, you might fail of knowing me. Even if your eyesight was good, you might have not recognized me. For it is a wise father who recognizes his child. Well, old man, I will tell you news of your son. Now be ready, as I am giving you the news of your son. Give me your blessings, okay? Just give me your blessings. And Launcelot kneels down. Truth will come to light, means truth will reveal itself. And Murder cannot be hid along, and the murder cannot be hidden for a long time. A man's son may, but in the end, truth will out. A man's son may hide things. He can hide anything, but in the end, the truth will be revealed. Gobo, pray you, sir, stand up. Okay, please get up, stand up, please get up. I am sure you are not Launcelot, my boy, but I am sure that you are not my son Launcelot. Gobo, Launcelot, pray you, let's have no more fooling about it. Father, let us not fool each other any more. Fooling about it, let's not make each other fool. But give me your blessings. I am Launcelot, your boy that was your son, that is your child that shall be. Means I am Launcelot, who was your boy and is your son and shall always be your child. Launcelot, I know not what I shall think of that. I do not know what to say about that. But I am Launcelot, the Jew's man. The Jew's man means the Jew's servant. And I'm sure Marjorie's your wife is my mother. And Marjorie, your wife, is my mother. Gobo, her name is Marjorie indeed. I'll be sown if thou be Launcelot, thou art mine own flesh and blood. Her name is Marjorie indeed, means your mother's name is Marjorie. I can swear now that if you are Launcelot, you are my son. Okay, he feels Launcelot's face. Okay, he touches his face and what he says, Lord worshipped might he be. May the Lord be praised. God bless him. What a beard hast thou got. What a beard you have now. Thou hast got more hair on thy chin than Dobbin, my Phil horse, has on his tail. Phil horse means cart horse. Okay. And what a beard you have. You have more hair on your face than Dobbin, my cart horse, has on his tail. Launcelot, it seems that Dobbin's tail is growing less. That's the Dobbin's tail grows backward. I'm sure he had more hair on his tail than I have on my face when I last saw him. And I am sure when I last saw him, he had more hair on his tail than I have on my face. Gobo, Lord, how art thou changed? How much you have changed. You look extremely different. How dost thou and thy master agree? How do you and your master get along? Okay, are you both comfortable with each other? I have brought him a present. How agree you now? I have brought him a present. Do you agree to give it to him or not? Well, but for mine own part, as I have set up my rest to run away, means as far as I am concerned, I have decided to run away. Now I will not rest. I will not stop till I have run some ground. I will not stop. I will not take rest till I reach some distance. My master's a very Jew. Means my master Shylock is a Jew in every sense, very cruel in every sense. Give him a present. You better give him a present and give him rather a rope to hang himself. Give him a halter. Halter means rope to hang himself. I am famished in his service. Okay, I am famished. I am finished. Okay, because of his cruelness. Because of his as he is very cruel, so I am famished in his service. I am famished in his service. You may tell every finger I have with my ribs. Even you can count. Okay, and you could feel with your fingers every rib in my body. I am glad you are come. Give me your present to one Master Bassanio. Father, I am happy that you have come here, but give this present to my master Bassanio, my new master, and who gives his servants brand new uniforms. Liveries means uniform. Indeed gives rare new liveries. Rare new liveries means brand new uniforms. If I serve not him, if I cannot serve him, I will run away until I reach the boundary of God's earth. Okay, I will run as far as God has any ground. O rare fortune, here comes the man to him, Father, for I am a Jew, if I serve the Jew any longer. Now, how fortunate I am. Here comes the same gentleman. Go to him, Father, for I will be a Jew if I serve the Jew any longer. And at the same time, enter Bassanio with Leonardo and other followers.